High above the undead parish, where the first bell of awakening tolls, waits a man draped in black, face hidden beneath a pale jester's mask. This is Oswald of Carim, the pardoner. His laughter is strange, his words cryptic, but make no mistake, he sees every sin. Oswald hails from Carim, a land of dark dealings, deadly politics, and twisted religion. He serves Velka, the goddess of sin, the one who watches the guilty and punishes the wicked. Though her name is never spoken, her presence is known through Oswald. He does not fight, he does not judge, but for the right price, he'll cleanse your soul. If you've invaded, murdered, betrayed a covenant, he knows, and he will forgive you, not through mercy, but through transaction. His shop sells indictments, tools to call down the blades of the dark moon upon sinners. He sells purging stones, tokens of sin, and other tools of quiet judgment. And yet, he laughs, a mad, knowing laugh, as if the whole world is a joke only he understands. Oswald offers no comfort, no hope, only the cold mechanics of sin and punishment, and a reminder that in Lordran, forgiveness is not a virtue, it's a service.